Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about delete document. Let's see what is it. So to delete one document, we use the delete underscore one off method. Okay, so if I want to delete any single document in the query, like if I'm having a number of queries and if I want to delete any particular query, then I have to use delete underscore one off method to delete that particular query. Okay. So this is the example how we can use it. First, you have to write the address of that query and then what is the name of that query. After that, you will our method will able to reach to that particular with the help of address. It will be able to reach that particular query, and if the name matches, it will automatically delete that particular query situated over there. Okay. After that, to delete more than one document, use delete underscore many of method. So it will automatically select the name and you will write this name of that particular query. It will automatically select that and will able to delete those query. Okay. So these are the example that I have used here. You can read those example by pausing this video. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.